Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Furniture. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and modern all-black bedroom aesthetics for 2024. If you're looking to create a chic and sophisticated sanctuary, an all-black bedroom can be both dramatic and stylish. Let's explore some amazing ideas to transform your bedroom into a luxurious retreat. Black furniture and accessories. Consider incorporating black furniture and accessories. A black bed frame, dresser, and nightstands can anchor the room, providing a strong, cohesive look. Complement these pieces with black lamps and other accessories. Don't forget to play with textures. Glossy finishes and soft fabrics can all add layers of sophistication, adding contrast with textures and materials. An all-black bedroom doesn't have to be monotonous. Adding contrast with different textures and materials can make your space more dynamic. Think about incorporating leather, velvet, and metal accents. Playing with lighting is crucial in a black bedroom. To avoid the room feeling too dark, use layered lighting to create warmth and ambiance. Combine overhead lights with bedside lamps, wall sconces, and floor lamps. Consider using dimmable lights to adjust the mood according to the time of day and your activities. Incorporating black bedding and textiles. Black bedding and textiles can enhance the luxurious feel of your bedroom. Opt for high-quality materials like Egyptian cotton or silk for your bed linens. Black curtains and throw pillows can add to the overall aesthetic while providing comfort and warmth. Accenting with metallics and mirrors. To break up the black and add some sparkle, use metallic accents and mirrors. Mirrors not only enhance the room's decor, but also reflect light, personalizing your space. Finally, personalize your black bedroom with artwork, plants, and personal mementos. Remember, your bedroom should be a reflection of your style and comfort. And there you have it, luxury and modern all-black bedroom aesthetic ideas for 2024. I hope these tips inspire you to create a stylish and sophisticated space that you'll love. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Design Furniture for more home decor ideas and inspiration. Have any questions or design tips of your own? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.